Hey guys, and welcome to this week's Fab In 5. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the new Patrick Ta Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. I have it out of the box already. I did a haul recently and this was in my most recent Sephora haul. It is absolutely stunning. I did forget to include the photo of this because it is quite difficult on camera to actually see it since it's so like shiny and absolutely stunning. So I will be including a photo right here so you guys can see the pans up close and personal. It's a versatile eyeshadow palette that contains 2 luminous cream bases, velvety mattes, iridescent metallics, and glistening pearl toppers. So it has a variety of textures, which I love to see. So I'm excited to play around with these 2 right here. Quick note, packaging wise, it does have a little lid for the creams, which is very helpful so that you're not getting powder into your cream. Let's just swatch both of these creams because I've used more cream shadows that are like in a like tube. I guess liquid shadows. Come on, Caitlin. So there's 2 different, depths. So what I'm gonna do is apply these creams with you guys, and then I'll kind of speed up the rest of the whole powder application because this is a Fab In 5 and we don't want to have a redo of last week when it was not 5 minutes. I apologize, guys. So I'm gonna go into the lighter one, which is called Lady. Start by taking it on this Morphe E28, and I'm actually gonna apply it in the crease. So I do agree that when you layer powder on top of cream, it can really create not only more depth, like definition, and not only can it make things look better, but it also will last all day long. It's like setting it down, it's going to be locked in, and it's blending out really nicely, as you can see. And just blend out those edges. Yeah, like it's diffusing really nicely. I'm going to actually take a little bit of this one here, the darker cream, and let's just apply that on the outer half. Blend all those edges out. I like that. I'm not mad about that at all. Oh, I just love it. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is play with these powders now, and I am gonna speed it up. So I'll be right back with my final review. Okay guys, to say that I enjoyed this palette would be the understatement of the year. I used every single shade except for one, and not one disappointed me. All the mattes are pigmented and beyond blendable. Like, it was effortless to create such a stunning, like, not to toot my own horn, but like, I'm obsessed with this look. I'm definitely impressed with what I was able to come up with. Color scheme is incredible. Formula wise, I'm through and through impressed. The creams are just so unique. The layout of the palette's unique. The color story is maybe not the most unique, but because there's so many different textures, wow, I'm impressed. 100% I recommend. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Like, wowza. I'm actually in awe. This is one of my favorite palettes I've tried this year. It's so everyday usable, but unique, all in the same palette, which is like everything I look for. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I sure as heck enjoyed playing with this, and have a wonderful day, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.